What's up guys, and welcome to You Cooking with me, G. And today we're cooking pan pork and pineapple tacos with pickled veggies and lime crema. And I'm gonna be voiceovering this one, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Alright, let's go. First we're gonna start by prepping. And that begins with washing and drying our produce. Then we are going to thinly slice and trim our radishes. Then we're going to zest and quarter lime. We're gonna halve, peel, and thinly slice onions. Whoa, whoops, slice. Next, we're going to drain our pineapple and reserve some juice for later. Our next step is pickling and our crema. In a small microwave-safe bowl, combine our radishes, juice from half the lime, and a fourth of the onion, and a big pinch of salt. Next, cover with plastic wrap and microwave that until veggies are slightly pink, about 30 to 45 seconds. Wait. In a separate small bowl, combine our sour cream with lime zest. Add water 1 teaspoon at a time until your mixture reaches a drizzling consistency. Or, what you like from a crema. Season with salt and pepper. Almost on. Oh yeah, here comes the fun part, caramelizing our pineapple. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan, preferably olive oil, or avocado oil if that's what you like, over medium-high heat. Add pineapple and season with salt and pepper. Cook while stirring until browned and caramelized, somewhere around 3 to 4 minutes. And then turn off your heat and transfer to a plate. And remember to wipe out that pan because we're going to keep using it. And now onto our next step, cooking our pork. Heat a drizzle of oil in the same pan over a medium-high heat. Add the remaining onion and season with salt and pepper. Cook while stirring until softened, around 4 to 6 minutes. Next, we add our pork and Southwest spice. If you've seen my previous videos, Southwest spice consists of cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And that comes down to what you like in your seasonings. Next, we're going to cook, breaking up our meats into pieces until it's browned and cooked all the way through, 4 to 6 minutes usually. Stir in your Tex-Mex Paste, caramelized pineapple, and reserve pineapple juice until mixture is saucy and combined. Note, you could swap this pork for ground turkey, if you like a healthier alternative, or you just can't eat pork. I didn't prepare a comal, so here's what I'm gonna do. Not a huge piece of foil, but aluminum foil gets hot really fast. And I'm gonna throw the tortillas on there instead of throwing them in a microwave. I mean, you could easily just throw these in a microwave with a towel for 30 seconds. Or you could do it this way. You get a nice crispy tortilla to wrap your lovely pork in. Let's chicken on our pork. Yeah, let everything get cozy. Look at that. That one's better than the first one. Now we could cut off the stems because some people don't like the stems. You could not use the stems like normal people. This is what some people do. Check out the leaves they're gonna use. And then not use this when that also has flavor of a cilantro. So what you're gonna do is wrap it up nicely and don't squish the fuck out of it. Just wrap it up nicely and no pressure. A lot more cilantro than this, I'll tell you that. And you got to use all of it. We're on a plate. Our lovely food. And on to our final step, dividing the tortillas between our plates. Fill with the pork mixture, lime crema, and as many pickled veggies. And a reminder to drain these first, as you'd like. Pick your cilantro leaves and sprinkle over your tacos. Serve with any remaining lime wedges on the side. Or squeeze them onto your tortilla, as you'd like. And don't forget to enjoy as you gobble down on your food. That was really, really good. That was really, really good. Yeah! In total, this meal should take you about 40 minutes, 10 minutes to prep, and 30 minutes to cook. And the calories by the end of this should be 820. But the cool part about this recipe is that you only need one pan. Alrighty. We're done making it. It's delicious. Now go like, comment, and subscribe. And go make it yourself. It is fucking good.